Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1959 Plymouth Fury Sport. Just a absolutely stunning restoration here. Very meticulously done. The chrome is in excellent condition. You can see the wide white wall tires, the bronze metallic paint. Just an absolute stunning vehicle. But before we get into this 59 Plymouth Fury, just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. Again, not going to go through all of them. About 80% of the inventory is domestic classic cars. The other 20% is exotic, luxury, and or European. If you have any questions on any of the vehicles you might have seen in the video as I scan through, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. As you can see, our full inventory, as well as this 1959 Plymouth that we're highlighting today. You will see additional pictures of this vehicle. It's up on the lift outside, and we have over 75 to 100 pictures of it. Just an absolute stunning restoration that you can see on the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. If you have any questions, you can give us a call as well, 941-355-1955. If you're not in the state of Florida, do not hesitate to still give us a call. We can make your dreams come true on the car you're looking at, as we do ship anywhere in the US and anywhere in the world. As last year in 2024, we shipped to 19 different US states and 7 different countries around the world. So we can certainly manage your shipping needs and get you the car of your dreams. If you are looking to finance or need to finance, we can certainly help you there as well, as we have finance partners for classic cars. Please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com for additional information on financing. Go to the finance tab. You can fill out a finance app and we'll get you approved. As I mentioned, this Plymouth Fury here with bronze metallic paint is just absolutely stunning. If I'm going too fast, as I mentioned, please look at the pictures online. You will see the still photos of every angle of the vehicle. It is outside in much better light than we have here in the warehouse. But this is just an absolute stunning restoration. One family-owned vehicle here. As I mentioned, bronze over the white hardtop. It's just a no excuse car. 244 miles since built. You can see the cloth and vinyl interior matching the exterior. Just a stunning combination. It does have seat belts. It is push button transmission. Just an absolute stunning vehicle. Again, it has power brakes, power steering, comes with 2 4-barrel carbs, which is original to the vehicle. It's got the 318, 260 horsepower, automatic. We will go ahead and fire it up so you see that it is a cold start. Everything is cold here. Sit next to beautiful 58 Impala as well. Grab the keys here. Make sure we're neutral. As you can see, 244 miles on the odometer. That is since built. Vehicle starts right up. As I mentioned, the clock is working. radio, beautiful steering wheel. As you can see, push button transmission back in 1959. E-brake is on. This vehicle also does have a electric fuel pump, just kind of a helper if needed. Obviously we didn't use it today, but it does have one if needed. And here's the dual exhaust and slight rumble, but what you would expect in the 50s and 60s cars. Not overly loud, but just a nice sound to it. Pick you up and hear the engine. Again, very smooth, no knocking or ticking. Just an absolute stunning restoration here. Can't say enough about it. Again, this is a no excuse car. One family owned. Beautiful, beautiful 1959 Plymouth Fury Sport here. If you are looking for a Plymouth, 59 Plymouth, I don't know that you're going to find a nicer one on the market. Maybe equal to, but not nicer. If you want to look at the pictures of the bottom of the vehicle, we do have that on our website as well. Please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. That has warmed up a hair. Go ahead and rev it up a little bit so you can hear it. Just a beautiful car. If you are interested, as I mentioned, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. And I appreciate you joining in today. As always, thank you very much.